Hi, everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well.
Today I am going to share easy and delicious Tawa chicken recipe. Masala preparation. Yogurt 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon each. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Chili powder 2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 2 teaspoon. Mix well. Done. Chicken leg 6 pieces. Clean and washed. Cut deeply. Add prepared masala. Mix very well. Done. Rest for 2 hours. G. Smoke 2 minutes. Mustard oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Spread the oil. Add marinated chicken. Fry 10 to 12 minutes, both sides. Flip. Another pan. Add mustard oil, 3 tablespoons. Add grilled chicken. Leftover prepared masala. Cook until well done. Sliced tomato, onion, coriander leaf, almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.